They're really small, and yet they seem to play dead a lot. So they must be really worried about being eaten by things in their native range. I've got nearly 90 of them inside this container. It's a relatively small container for 90 odd weevils, but there's a whole heap of them just sit on this one small branch, and when you knock it like this, they all start falling off. So having sucked them up into this container, I then need to put them into a container to send them away for them to be released into the field in New Zealand. And these ones are going down to Southland, and so I end up putting them into this container. This container has a little bit of food in it, some shoot material, a whole lot of paper tissues which kind of fill up the gaps and stop them all being shaken to pieces as they get carted around the countryside. And then we seal a lid on top of that, and that's it, ready to go. Now many people say to me about how come you can seal them into a container and don't they need air? Well, insects do, but they actually need very little air and very little oxygen, because they're really tiny things and they really don't breathe a great deal. So they will actually be quite happy in that sealed container for like a week without having to open it or do anything to it.